Hey friends, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, a very sweaty geocaching vlogger. I'm outside, it's like 90 degrees, but it is a perfect day to open up the June Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance, she knows what geocachers love. She packs them up and delivers them straight to your door every single month. I really do enjoy opening them. I'm gonna open one for you in the woods. And there's a bluff. It's beautiful here. I have unsealed it, and look at that. The presentation is always on a next level. Beautiful tissue paper. Here is the sheet that says what's in here. I'll look at that later. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You guys, this is perfect right now because I had several of these flying around me right now. Look at this. How smart is this? It is a tick and mosquito kit. If you guys ever geocache in the woods like I do all the time, like I am doing today, you certainly need this. What? I'm really curious what's all in this. Oh my gosh. A first aid kit. Oh my gosh. You guys don't know how convenient this is. I forgot my first aid kit and I literally I fell and you see that? I banged up my knee really bad. I seriously need a Band-Aid right now. Oh my gosh. What are the chances? I told you this stuff in the Cache Crate is useful. Thanks, Lisa, you're saving me. I was literally bleeding all over myself. Stop the bleeding. I cannot stress how important it is to bring a first aid kit with you. Inside here is tick and insect repellent. Another wipe, insect repellent, perfect. Oh, we have alcohol in here. I should have probably cleaned my wound with this before, and here is the tweezers in case we need to pick out one of those ticks, and I don't think I've seen any ticks today. I got myself some first aid kits, but this is like a tick and mosquito first aid kit. Very smart. This is certainly going and staying in my geo bag, so I have it next time. Bless me. All right, next item. Ooh, this next item comes in a little box. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, okay. First, I got my bingo sticker. Inside the box, it says your special trackable code. A trackable code that I can put on anything. I can make a tattoo out of it. I could put it on a car. Scan QR code for detail. Oh, I gotta scan the QR code for details. So much mystery and intrigue here. There's a video. There's a video from Lisa.
And I am Lookout Lisa, and I'm here in the Cache Advance studio. So if you're seeing this video, it means you've already got your Cache Crate.
Yes, I did.
And you've already opened it up and have found the QR code that was on your packing slip.
Yes, I did.
Here I am.
There you are.
The reason I wanted to come on today and record this video for you was one, welcome all the brand new members to the Crate Crew.
Thank you.
Welcome, guys.
Thank you. I'm not new, but thank you.
To talk about what to do with the extra box that's inside of your box that you got to unbox this time. So it's 2 unboxings, right?
What did box? Lots of boxes.
Is a special trackable code that we have given all of you. So you all have your own unique trackable code.
Okay.
And I wanted to walk through with you how to activate it if you've never done that before.
Okay. So I believe I got my own personal tracking code that I could put anything on. I know how to activate it, but that's helpful. She even did a little video showing how to do that. That's cool. Ooh. Oh. I'm always a big fan of a sticker. I put all my geocaching stickers on my luggage. So perfect. 20 years of geocaching. What else? We also have a 20 years of geocaching lapel pin, and I always get the add-on trackable, and I got a tiny mini coin of the 20 years of geocaching. Maybe I could put that on a zipper pull or something. You guys, useful Cache Crate. I actually needed this. This like saved me. This Cache Crate pretty much saved my life as I almost fell off of a cliff. All right, if you guys want the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com. You can sign up if it's open or enter the waiting list, and you too can get geocaching goodness, because what's inside will get you outside. It's true. It's so true. I'm gonna continue to clean my wounds, and I will see you next time. Go over here, you can watch another video, and I'll meet you over there. Thanks.